Hello everyone, take your hair, divide it into two, make two simpler ponytails, divide those ponytails into two equal halves, tie plaits, give it a ribbony look, and then you are done here. Take your hair, divide it into two, repeat the same process of tying two plaits, give it a ribbony look again, take the lower half, tie plaits out of them, then it should look like a perfect ribbon, and then take that part of the hair, tie it with a rubber band, give it a fluffy or bulby look just like this. Take your hair. First, divide it into two parts. The first part should be made like a pickle and then carefully make plaits out of taking all the four parts of the hair. You should be very clever enough to make the other half of the hair look like layers and the other half like simpler plaits, and then roll the plaits upwards. You are done. Take your hair, simply make lower plaits out of both the parts of your head, just like this. Just as you make plaits when you go to school. See, these hair hacks are very simple and it will give you a very classy, simpler look where you can go anywhere. When you are done making the plaited parts, tie it with a rubber band and you are done. Thank you for watching.